I have some thrilling news that I have been dying to share with you. Our house finally sold. Yes! What a relief. I'm so happy. Hi everybody, if you're new to my channel, I'm Cathy. And today I'm just sitting down and I just want to fill all of my friends in on what's been going on. I have been absent from YouTube for a few weeks and I owe you an explanation why. So I thought I'd just do a little chit chat video today, and I've been keeping a list of all the things that I want to share with you. So our house finally sold after being on the market for a little over a year, and it happened the way that I always felt that it would happen, like sudden, and we actually have to be out of the house in 3 weeks. And today is March the 3rd. I have the movers booked for the 25th and the deal closes the 27th. It's been really hectic like the last week, you know, going back and forth with the negotiating, and then we had to find a place real quick to live because we are building a house and we actually just signed the papers Friday to start the new construction, and it's going to take about a month for them to get everything approved, and they hope to start digging the foundation in April, weather permitting. It's still really, really cold here. Hopefully by the end of April, things will have warmed up. And in the meantime, we are renting an apartment, a 2-bedroom apartment, because my daughter will be home in a month for the summer because she has a summer job doing her internship in the city that we live in. So it's been super crazy, and on top of that, I've been sick. My husband's been really sick. He's has a really bad cold, but he's also having some health issues related to his transplant. So we're trying to get that all sorted out. So I have been super stressed, and that's why I haven't been on YouTube, like to record any videos, but also to watch any of your videos. So I apologize for that. I will get back, you know, to doing it, hopefully once things settle down in a few weeks. So I just kind of wanted to let you know what's been going on with me. I'm so relieved that the house is sold because this is a huge property. It's a beautiful property, but there's just the two of us at home now, and it's just gotten to be in the last few years a little too much work with all the flower gardens. And we have over an acre of land of grass to cut every week. So we just wanted to downsize, more so on the property, not so much the house. But so I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to not being on well water septic, you know, having a water softener. There's all of these additional things when you live out in the country that you have to have and worry about, that you don't have those concerns in the city. So it'll be nice. We're not actually moving into the city, but it's sort of a little suburb of the city. It's like a little village. So I'm looking forward to that. And I think too, it'll be nice just to have a sense of community, because where I live, you know, it's rural. I'm looking at cornfields. So you know your neighbors, but it's not like you see them every day. Whereas I think in the little place we're moving to, you can walk around the block, you know, and you'll just see people and, you know, say hi, whatever. So I'm really looking forward to the social aspect of that. Poor Buddy is so confused. Because this all happened so fast, we weren't sure what we were going to do with all of our stuff. It's not that we have a lot of stuff, but whenever, you know, you have to be out of your house in 3 weeks, it's kind of like, what am I going to do with my stuff? Where am I going to put everything? So we have the movers booked, and moving is very expensive. I don't mind sharing what it's going to cost. It's going to be $1,500 to move from our house to the apartment, and then again in July when our new house is finished to move to the new house. But we had all this other furniture, you know, Christmas decorations, stuff like that we had to store. And the apartment isn't that big, like we can't store all that stuff. Plus we have like our lawn tractor, snow blower, all that stuff. So what do you do with that? So we asked the movers if they could store it. So when we got oh my goodness, too many things on my head. When we got the estimate for storage, it was going to cost $5,000. And I said to my husband, that is a ridiculous amount of money to pay, like to store Christmas decorations. And he agreed. So what I did yesterday was I listed a whole bunch of stuff online to sell. And I've been busy with that. Our living room set just sold like that. I'm actually sitting on it right now, but the guy's going to be coming to pick it up in the next few days. So Buddy was so sad, like, I think, to hear that his favorite chair was being sold. And, you know, every box that we open to pack stuff in, he's the official box inspector. So I have a cute picture of him I'll try to remember to insert here to show you. I'm a little worried about how you know, all the commotion is going to affect him. When my mom moved, it took her cat 3 weeks before he would come out of the closet. Because after living in the country and then going to the city, you know, and hearing all the sirens and people talking that they're not used to, it was quite an adjustment for him. So I'm hoping that Buddy fares okay that way. I've had to pack up my makeup, so I can't do get ready with me's or anything. I hope you understand. But I will still try to do one video a week if I can. But if I can't, I hope that you understand and will be patient and stick with me through this. Everything should get back to normal in April once we're settled in the apartment. You know, the big move, like getting out of here so quickly, is the main stress in my life right now. So let me know if there's any interest you want me to vlog about moving and building the house, because I don't mind sharing those parts of my life with you. You are my friends, and it may be helpful to somebody who has never had to move, and you know, I can sort of share our experience and what we have to go through. And that's something that I wanted to mention. Tomorrow we actually have to meet with a lawyer to sign some paperwork. But we're also going to be updating our wills and our power of attorney. So I just thought I'd put that out there because sometimes, you know, people don't think about updating those things. And I know it's something that, you know, a lot of people don't like to spend money on. But I think it's something that's necessary that you need to look at and update, you know, every so often. We haven't done ours in about 12 years, and our daughter was, you know, she was a minor then, but now she's an adult, and we just need to change, you know, things like that. So I just wanted to throw that out there in case that was something that, you know, some people maybe needed to be reminded of. It's important to keep those things up to date. I have really missed you all, and I miss, you know, doing my weekly videos, but like I said, it's been crazy. I'm just so relieved. I can't express how much of a huge elephant off my shoulders moving is, because I can see my husband, you know, he's not well, and it's just going to be a lot less stress in my life, and for him as well, like to not have to worry about the property. So some exciting news is it's my mom's 85th birthday this Thursday, and today's Sunday, so we're all getting together and we're having lunch celebration. So I have to get busy and go make a Caesar salad, because I said I'd bring a salad. And I also have somebody coming here at 10 o'clock to pick up some lamps that I've sold. It's really amazing what people accumulate over a lifetime. We've been here 30 years. This is only the second house that I've ever lived in. I lived in my parents' house where I grew up, and then when I was 20 I got married and we built this house, and I've moved here for 30 and a half years. And I by no means am a hoarder. I am constantly like editing my stuff, like getting rid of something, because I can't stand clutter. But I live with a hoarder. And the basement, we spent all day yesterday on the basement. And before I sign off, I will take you down there and show you. We must have 40 boxes of Christmas decorations. Christmas is probably my least favorite holiday, simply because we've had so many bad memories around Christmas, with my husband always like being critically ill around holidays, it seemed. So I don't know how I ended up with 40 boxes of Christmas decorations, but that's my husband, the hoarder. He would take the decorations, hide them, and then of course, like, I forgot that we had them, and I go out and buy more. So for now, everything is packed away in Rubbermaid totes, going into a friend's garage where we can store it for free and save some money with the storage. But whenever we get to the new house, we're going through every box, and if something no longer serves us, it's being donated or sold, because I cannot stand clutter. So moving is a great opportunity to go through your stuff and, you know, figure out if you need it or not. So I think that's all I have to say today. I'll just take you on a short little trip and show you the mess that I'm in. Thank you for being so understanding, and again, please let me know if you would like to see me vlog some of this. And I really hope that you will stick with me through all this, because I have worked so hard to get to where I am with my channel. I feel that it's finally starting to gain momentum and grow, and I would really hate to lose any subscribers, because I'm going to be a little absent for the next 3 to 4 weeks. So please stick with me, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. I think of you all as my friends. As we're going through this, I'm thinking, oh, I have to tell them this. So that's why I'm writing a list, because, you know, there's so many things going on up here that if it's not written down, I forget about it. And sometimes even if it is written down, I forget where I put my list. So it's kind of a crazy time right now. So I'll sign off, and I hope to see you very soon. I have one more pre-recorded video that I will hopefully get up next Sunday, if I get time to edit it. And in amongst that, I will try and vlog. So let me know if you want to see the whole moving process, and I will speak to you real soon. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you'll stick around and click that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk soon. Bye. Hi, bud. Hi. Are you having the last few naps on your favorite chair, eh? You're mad at Mommy because I sold your chair. I know. I know. We'll get you a new chair. You want to say hi? Say hi to your friends. No? Buddy's being a little camera shy this morning. No kisses for your friends. Oh, buddy, don't be that way. So here's some of the mess we're in. The lamps on my table. Oh gosh, it's snowing out. I can see through the kitchen window. The lamps on the table. Man's coming to pick them up at 10. And those are some boxes I just got ready for storage. And that's the living room set that I sold yesterday. But while I'm here, I want to show you. Remember the ice in the driveway I showed you a week or so ago? Still there. Like, look at the front walkway. I've put 5 bags of salt out on that ice, and it just will not melt. And actually some places in the part of Ontario I live, they've actually run out of salt. It's just been so cold this winter, the salt's not working. So spring can't come fast enough. I just want to watch as I go down the stairs. Okay, this was what I did yesterday. That is all Christmas decorations and some of my daughter's soccer and hockey sticks. But for somebody that doesn't like Christmas, sure have a lot of Christmas stuff. So this is a family room. We are keeping that sofa set because it's only a year old. And I'm trying to sell this desk, but in the meantime, it's handy because I'm keeping all tissue paper and bubble wrap and, you know, wrapping stuff that is breakable. Again, all the Christmas stuff. And then over here is a total disaster. This was all in the storage part of our basement. So we still have to go through all this, but those black bags or cushions for my wicker furniture that will go on the deck, but I'm going to keep those at the apartment just in case any mice would be in the shed. I'm really hoping that there's no mice. But I'll just show you. That is the part of the basement that had all the Christmas stuff in, and it's never been empty like this in the last 30.5 years, except for the day we moved in. So that was all of our work yesterday, and I know the lighting's not so great here, but those are all the boxes that we got, and that's just stuff over there that'll stay with the house for the pool. Some extra hardwood. That's the sump pump. And the furnace, which I'm sure nobody cares about. So yeah, I still have my work cut out for me, but that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow because today it's about Mom's birthday.